Women have always been beautiful, and it's not the achievement of modern cosmetology. It's much simpler. Think of Cleopatra. She was over 40, yet her beauty captivated the world. Her secrets weren't hidden in jars of cream, but in nature itself. She bathed in milk with honey, leaving her skin soft and radiant. Rosewater refreshed her face and added a delicate fragrance. Aloe soothed her skin after the burning sun, and saffron mixed with rosewater kept her eyes bright and rested. Simple oils like almond oil made her skin firm and supple. Surprisingly, these rituals still work just as well today. We search for miracles in expensive cosmetics, but Cleopatra already knew. True beauty lies in pure, natural ingredients. Want to discover more of her timeless secrets and try them yourself? Subscribe and read the full article.